Good morning, my dear students. Proceed of class 4 English the Vigi Manipuri women have chapter 2. Look at the woman in the picture. This is the woman market. License the your beneficing the yango mase nupi kaiteni. Some are selling fishes, some are selling vegetables, and some are selling clothes. Mi khara bana, nga sing yole, mi khara bana, mana sing yole, amasung khara bana, piron sing yole. These women are always busy. Manipuri nupi kaise matam puna magta chilleba. They are in the market to sell their goods and help their men in earning money for their families. Moina kaithen karagli se moina posai sing do yodaga paisa sing do imung manung da mateng pangba nupa sing imung sing nupa sing mateng pangba ngam ko. This is Ibesawi from Thauban. Her day begin at 2:30 in the morning. Masi Thauban dagi Ibesawi ne mana no magi mai mathau sing se ayuk pung ani makhai da however. She take a bus at 3 a.m. with her load of vegetables. Mana ayugi pung tamas da bus da kakalaga magi pose mana masing pot mai mapot sing da pukhala bus da tonge. The bus reached the Karamban Bazaar at around 4:30 a.m. Karamban Bazaar da ayugi pung mani ta khai ta bus da Karamban Bazaar da ma thungi. Then she sell her goods to the people. Adagi mana poraiba posai sing do yon ba horeba mi sing da yon ba hore. Some women buy wholesale from her and send those vegetables in return. Mi khara manandi de pi khara manandi mangon dagi wholesale da puna lawre da na pose puna lawraga tongana mu moina musoi na mu yo da mana masing sing do. By 7 a.m. Ibesawi all her goods are sold and she take a bus back to Thauban about 25 kilometers from Infan. Ibesawi say ayuki pung matam sa mai posai sing do yon balore ga mana mayum hanana ba Thauban gi bus se tonge ba Infan dagi kilometer kun mangarom lakani. She will there by 9 a.m. Mana mafam de yo bakanda ayuki pung mapantagani mapanda tingani. Her children are waiting for her at their home. Magi masa sindunane mayum da mabungai. This woman her is working on a loom. They are beneficial da mu yango ma se yongkha matakte thabak suri. She is weaving a rani fee. Rani fee is a special saddle worn by Meitei women at special occasion like marriage and festival. Piece na rani fee sari ba rani fee se Meitei ni piecing gi yam akhana ba lukongba masung harau kumai sing da ne harau thorom sing da kumai harau kumai sing da akhana ne inba inafi ni ko. Some women wear today bed sheet, mosquito net, inafi etc. Manipuri women are very skillful in their work. Nupi khara di ne hoida ni finga ta sa de ba nupi sing ya ni finga ta sa de ba mi khara di nupi to ba khara di khudai gumba inafi ande mo pa fi da kangkhan sina sing ba sai ba ko Manipur nupi ge se ma gi mathau da adu ki ma ti hai toi sing toi ba oi. This weaver help their families with their earnings. Kisabi sing sna ma khona tan ja paisa sing du ne ma khoi imung manung da mateng pange. Look at this woman. She is a travel woman. The travel women are very hardworking. Nupi sida mu yengo. Mase chimi nupi ne. Chimi nupi kaisa duki mating mo su thabak yam kale. This woman is weaving a travel cloth at a special loom kon loi loom. Traveling side ba khana ba yung khamda coffee side ko chimi nupi kaisna. One end of the loom a fixed at the wall pillar and the other in his hook round her waist with a band. Yongkam singi matona manane koi faklang do wa pule na aduga yongkam singi atopa matona maduna khwangda koisalaga ben mana faraga admana koisile ko koisilaga saiba. The travel clothes are very lasting and colorful. Office sing se adin masu syam phase aduga yam sukan ba oi. She is another tribal woman carrying a load of dry wood in a decent kind of basket on her back. This basket is called some. Sida atopa tribal nupi ama mulere mana hoi akang ba u se kokthong ama manangan da pui ba manangan da akhana ba thumok amada u se pui ba ko adu thumok to sam kawe. She collected the dry wood yesterday. She bring it to the market to sell. Akang u sing se mana ngarang thiru bane ba kaithen da puri bane ba yon ba gi. Manipuri women feel proud because they always help their families with their work and earning money. Manipur nupi sing ja suki matik sauk thu sei ba maramdi makhoi na matam chupa da imong manungi ta paisa moya tanja ba sendong dina mateng pang pangam jabada aduna matam na makta sauk thu sei ko process da lore adono yum da home assignment pige exercise ki question number 1 ga 2 ga se yum da semo aduga semaga hayeng school kara kanda pro ai mistake toge yamna lai bani ko sulu da bani Masih di kelas tentang saya selagi matang damu makata bangun